friends, it's Miss Kelli. I'm so glad to see you for this week's Curbside Craft. Do you know what I heard? I heard it's going to snow this week, and I love snow. Why? Because I like to build snowmen. No, really I do. I like to put on my coat and my boots, make sure I have really good nice mittens on, go outside, make a big tall snowman. Then I come inside and make some hot chocolate with marshmallows, of course. So this week, our Curbside Craft is called Snowman Fun. We're going to read 2 stories and do some crafts. Our first story is called Snowmen at Night. It's about a little boy and what he thinks his snowman does when he's sleeping at night. What do you think snowmen do? Well, let's go find out.
Snowmen at Night by Carolyn Buhner. One wintry day, I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? I think the snowmen start to slide, when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. They gather in a circle while waiting for the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman races. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond and do skating tricks on ice. Sometimes they start giggling, and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other till they all fall down. They gather up their snowballs, the pitcher takes his aim, and underneath the moonlit sky, they play a baseball game. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. Wahoo! They yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy, so they slowly gather up their things, and one by one they go. So if your snowman's grin is crooked or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night.
Wow, those snowmen had a lot of fun. I think I'd like to hang out with them sometime, but I have to sleep at night, so I guess that's not going to happen. Our next story is called How to Catch a Snowman. Now this story is about a group of friends and how they try to catch a magical snowman. They set out lots of traps. Do you think that they're going to get him? Well, let's see.
How to Catch a Snowman by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. When the moon is full on a snowy night, something magical happens if the time is right. It's not an old silk hat that brings me to life, but the enchanted snow star shining down at midnight. I don't thumpity thump or give warm hugs. That's for my friends to do. These clever kids will try to trap me, but who will catch me? You? That first trap was a good attempt. Your running made me smile. Your net of scarves might have done the trick, but it's left you in a pile. Now this trap is an improvement, and my escape is no guarantee. But I'll skate fast, and with a spin, you're covered in snow like me. A snowman who loves summer? I've heard of this before. But what you didn't know is I can fly. Stand back and watch me soar. Chasing me down the hillside, you're really good at skiing. But when I bounce into a snowball, I'm really good at fleeing. I have to admit, the trap you made was a clever use of snow, but I can see that it's a trick. It's time for me to go. A snowman shop. That's quite a treat, made special just for me. Perhaps I'll grab a hat or scarf, or maybe 2 or 3. You built me with a carrot nose. I think that's kind of cute. But cuter still is trying to catch me with vegetables and fruit. This winter wonderland is great, so bright and full of fun. But snow globes can't hold me for long. Too bad, I've got to run. Woohoo! Your sleigh ride sure is fun. I love gliding down this slide. But I think I'll skip the trampoline that ends this jolly joyride. Now that was one fantastic trap and very well thought through. Nice try, well done, magnificent job. But I'll still escape from you. Once I've escaped your final trap, you get called in for dinner. As the sun set, it seems to me that I'm the contest winner. You tried so hard to catch me. I'm glad I'm free, it's true. But perhaps before I'm on my way, I can leave a gift for you.
Darn, they didn't catch him. He was pretty tricky. But it was really cool that he made that giant snowman for them so that they won the snowman contest at the end. They got to be on TV and everything. So this week we included in your kit 3 crafts. They're all about snowmen or snow fun. Let's go see what you're going to be doing.
Your first craft is this fun snowflake door hanger. Your second craft is to make a yummy cup of cocoa, complete with marshmallows that you can write down all the fun things you like to do outside in the snow. The last craft is this fun snowman picture frame. When you're done with it, you can take a picture of your snowman and show it off to everyone. I hope you have fun with these crafts, boys and girls, and we'll see you soon. Bye!